Yeah, welcome guys. So very quickly I want to put you through how you can get started with this project. Is the Decentralized Physical Infrastructure. It's a new project supported by the Solana Foundation, MYGATE Network. So I'm going to drop the link in the video description. Kindly get started. So it's another opportunity for you to earn on the network as long as you stay connected to the internet. So and I know for you to be watching this video, you are actually connected to the internet. So why don't you earn with it? So very quickly I'm going to sign in now. So I'm just trying to register. So I'm going to click on sign in with Google. So that's what's I suggest you use, and that's what's currently available. So click on sign in with Google and sign in with the network with the email address you intend to sign up with. So let's do this together. So I'm waiting. So all right, I'm selecting the email I would like to use. So all right, so authenticate and continue. All right, one moment. Alright, so it seems I'm logged in now. Okay, so welcome to MYGATE Network, ready to start earning with DePIN. Download our Google Chrome extension now to kickstart your journey. So start your DePIN experience today. Click below to download and get started. So let's build the future of decentralized connectivity together. So click on download to install the extension. Okay, so it's taking us to Chrome Web Store. So now MYGATE Network node. Alright, so I'm waiting for it to load. So we can click on add to Chrome. So add extension. Okay, so I'm adding the extension. All right, so it's downloading it and it's going to add to your browser automatically. So if you are using laptop, it's a good one. You can also use this on your mobile devices by using your Mrs. browser or your Kiwi browser. So you're also good to go. So it's already installed, and I'm going to click on that to see. So it's asking that I should log in. So I'm going to click on login. So now, okay, so I'm clicking on login now to actually log in. Okay, so I'm going to continue the sign in. So I've already signed it before, but I'm now signing in into the extension. So I need to also do that again to actually get started. Okay, all right. So now so you can close this. So let's click on the extension again and see. Let's see it again. Okay, so now it's connected already. So you can click on mission and rewards, and then it will definitely still bring you to this same page where you are currently. So you can click here to see if it is for logging out. So that's just what you love to do. So you can refresh the page. So once you refresh the page, you see definitely that the installed node has already been added. So you can see total 1 and connected 1. So also you have some tasks here that you can do. So if you click here, you see your node, so it's connected. If you click here, you see the tasks you can do to actually get more EXP. So all of this you can do that. So you can see Mrs. browser, so you can download that and do that and confirm and claim that. So that's all you got to do to actually end. So once you are connected, there's nothing more. All right guys, so I think I'm going to end this video here. So there's nothing much for you to do, so you can just keep exploring to see the other tasks that you can do. And just as you've seen on the extension itself, so that you can see mission and rewards, if you click there, it will still take you to that same reward aspect. So that's all you've got to do right now. Just keep mining with your data as you're browsing the internet. All right guys, I think I will have to end this video here. Kindly give us a thumbs up, please, and please subscribe to this channel. And also do not forget to share, drop your comments, and give suggestions of video that you want me to make a video on. And until next time, this is FinTech Space with Teambiz. Bye for now.